Hey guys, are you still in search of fall inspiration? Well, I hope this video will get you started. Today I'm going to share with you how I am going to create such a beautiful coffee table styling using some items from around my home, using an inspirational um, floor arrangement, one that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, gave it a little spray paint, and now I'm going to use it here. So if this is for you, keep watching. So guys, in this video, I'll be sharing with you a few things that I am using in this video here to style out my coffee table. One being this wood cleaner here. This cleaner smells absolutely amazing. I purchased it from one of the boutiques here in town, and not only does it shine your wood up really good, but it leaves the room with this nice fresh fragrance that smells so good. And you can smell it for about a week after you've cleaned off the table. It just smells so good. So I'm going to just continue to clean up this table and clean off the mirror part. You'll see that part, and then I will begin to show you how quick and easily you can style out your table just by using things around your home. Guys, search your home. We are looking for budget-friendly decor videos here. We're sharing things that we find around the house, things that we find that are on sale, things that we find on clearance. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a beautiful arrangement of flowers that I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years ago when they had like a 50% off clearance. It came in the chrome or silver look, but I am changing the color up to gold. So stay tuned for that, and I will keep doing all the work. I just need you guys to grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you want to drink. Sit back, relax. Whether you're watching this video from your cell phone, your iPad, or your TV, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. Y'all see this bouquet of flowers right here, this arrangement? This arrangement is absolutely gorgeous, and it is the inspiration that led me to create my mantle styling. So if you have not seen that video, I will link it in the iCards above. But you see how I'm putting this together? Just by finding those things that I already have. Some books, a few pumpkins from my stash. This pumpkin here actually is the only pumpkin that I purchased this year, and I shared that in a recent haul, and I think I got it from the home goods store. So adding my little accessories to the table, and we'll be done in just a bit, and I'll be able to share with you guys the reveal. But now is a great time. If you're new to this channel, I want to say I welcome you, and it's a good time for you to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. I am the one that loves anything about putting my home together and making it look beautiful. So if this appeals to you, hit that subscribe button. Then you'll see the notification bell. Make sure you choose all so you'll get all of my videos that are created here. And what I'm doing right here is adding in some of that delicious smelling vase fillers or pot filler, whatever you want to call it. It smells so good. It has that cinnamon scent, and I love using it this time of year. So guys, you'll get to see the reveal. Just keep watching. I promise you, you will not be disappointed. And again, if you did not see the mantle styling and the hearth styling, you've missed a treat. I advise you to check that out, and you will see where I got my inspiration from. Was from this beautiful floor arrangement. So guys, we're going to start here in the center where I have these candles, these table candles in these candle holders. And these candles are some that I've got from Target, and they run up to 6 hours if you can get them started. As you can see, this one is already burnt out. You saw that I had to change one of the other ones, and then this one looks as though it's going to burn out. But I usually wouldn't keep these burning anyway. I'm just using this for the ambiance of this video. Now these little table candle holders are some that I've purchased from Hobby Lobby. My little leopard here is one that I purchased from Belk. And then this floor arrangement in this beautiful vase I purchased from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. It was silver, and I just gave it a nice little coating of gold. Just decided to add this magnifying glass here just for an accessory here on the table. Got a few books here. This one is by Tara Shaw, Soul of the Home. And then these are some Bridgerton tea party, afternoon tea and tea party guides. Just little coffee table books that I have there. And then these I purchased, I think, from Temu, I think, but I'm not 100% certain. And I'm going to put some acorns in here. I just didn't feel like going out to get them. As you can see, I've been dusting some a little bit hoarse, but this too shall pass. This pumpkin here is one that I shared in a recent haul. I think this was a home good haul or home good purchase. So this is my coffee table styling. Nice, cozy, glam elegance. Absolutely beautiful. Love, love, love the colors in this vase here. And this was my inspiration for decorating my mantle. So guys, if you have not seen my mantle video, I will leave it in the iCards above. Hopefully you can go and check it out. Now I'm going to finish this room off, and then I will come back and show it all together. I'm going to change out a few pillows, a few throws, but I wanted to get this mantle video out and then this coffee table styling. So I hope you guys will enjoy it. All that I've done here. Thanks for watching. If you found some inspiration, some motivation, and even an idea or two, leave me a comment down in the comment section. And if you are new to this channel and you love home decor, anything dealing with the home, whether it's cooking, cleaning, buying things for the home, out there shopping, outdoors cleaning, rearranging, you're at the right place. Hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap the notification bell twice so you will always be notified of any and all videos that are created on this channel. And let's not forget, I'm your lovely host here, and you are always welcomed. Thanks, guys.
Pink champagne, I'm totally vibing. It's true what they say, it's all about timing. I'm doing okay, for the first time in a while. Can't help but love my style, just caught in the feeling. So much glitter